Hey guys, welcome back to OLLY. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you, OLLY Combat Cravings Metabolism Support Capsule Review. So, Combat Cravings is a capsule supplement made by OLLY, a vitamin and supplement brand now under Unilever. Now, it's built around a clinically studied dose of chromium picolinate, a trace mineral, as the core active ingredient. Now, alongside that, the formula includes green tea extract, goji berry, ginger extract, three plant-based ingredients that the brand describes as traditionally used without making specific clinical claims about them individually the way it does for the chromium. Now, according to the product page here, the formula is designed to work on three fronts at once, helping curb food cravings, supporting a healthy metabolism, and helping maintain blood sugar levels that are already within a normal range. Now, the chromium here, or chromium picolinate, those is the ingredient OLLY points to specifically for the cravings control and metabolism support claims, while the green tea, goji berry, and ginger extracts ground out the formula as supporting ingredients drawn from traditional use. Now, the product, or according to them, the product is vegan certified, meaning it contains no animal derived ingredients or byproducts. It's also NSF certified, which means an independent third party has tested the product and verified that what's on the label matches what's exactly in the capsule, and that it meets the NSF's quality and safety standards. Now, this is a step beyond what's required by law or for dietary supplements, since NSF certification is voluntary. Now, how to exactly use this? Now, the directions are quite simple. Adults take one capsule per day with a full glass of water, swallowing it whole rather than chewing or crushing it. Each bottle contains 30 capsules, which lines up to the 30-day supply at that one a day dosing. There's no split dosing or timing requirement mentioned on the label, so it can be taken at whatever point in the day fits in a person's routine, as long as it's taken consistently. Now, one detail worth knowing here is if you're ordering as of right now, OLLY stop shipping particular products to customers located in New York State. So residents there would need to look at buying it through different retailers rather than OLLY's own site. Now, on the pricing side here, and also ordering here, the official OLLY site lists Combat Cravings at around $19.99 per bottle, shipping at flat $6.99 or fee, which becomes free once the order totals $49 or more. Now, the site states orders are typically delivered within 2 to 3 business days. Returns are accepted within 30 days of purchase if a customer isn't satisfied. Now, the product can also be purchased through subscriptions options on OLLY's site for repeat orders, and in addition to the standard one-time purchase. Now, at the time of writing, or as of right now, the product is listed as temporarily out of stock, but you can check or recheck their website later on and see if they've actually have restock as of this moment, or you can check other sources like Target, CVS, or even Amazon. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, feel free to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.